Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find Subscript and Superscript text in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take some text. Now we want to find Subscript and Superscript text. Go to the Home menu. Then go to the Find option. Then write the subscript text. Now I write X, then write 2, then select the 2, then apply the shortcut key to superscript. Press Ctrl Shift, then double press the plus icon, then click Find Next. Now we can see here finded the superscript text. Now we want to find the subscript. Go to the Find option, then write H2O, then select the 2 option, then apply the shortcut key to the subscript. Press Ctrl plus, then click Find Next. Now we can see we find the subscript and superscript text very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.